Hello, my name is Don Parchman. I'm running for a seat on the Hesperia City Council. I will keep Hesperia on budget without a tax increase, guarantee you that. I will create new opportunities that will bring new business to the city of Hesperia. I was talking to my wife about it, and she told me either do something about it or shut up. So now I'm going to do something about it, and I'm running for city council. One of the things that I'm involved with is working with the Shriners Hospital. My big claim to fame, if there is a claim to fame, is that I like to help people. Everything rises and falls on leadership. Our city council chamber will seat 200-300 people at the tops. There's over 33,518 voters in Hesperia. A lot of companies are failing because they're too top-heavy. I fear that we could be top-heavy at the city of Hesperia, and we need to take a look at that to make sure that we're not top-heavy. And if we are, then we need to do something about it. If you're coming up here just to get a paycheck, you're not going to last long around here around me, because I make sure if you're going to be around here and you're going to get your paycheck, you're going to work for it. I understand there's some people that wouldn't take a job eating holes out of donuts, but that's all right. We're going to find the ones that want to work, and we're going to put them to work, and the ones that don't want to work, we'll let them sit on the sideline and watch us work. I don't care what you say. People want to help people, and if you start doing things to help people, other people come out and want to help you too. My goal is to create opportunities. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me. My name is Don Parchman. I'm running for City Council of Hesperia, and I need your vote. Together we can do great things.